Mayday, Mayday, you lost your landing gears. Is the runway clear for landing? I repeat, is the runway clear for landing? We are going to do an emergency landing due to landing gears failure. Pilot, I think this is impossible. There's nothing impossible, just do as I say. Pull the yoke. Up. I said nose up. Yes, sir. Slow down the speed. Use the manual brakes. Turn on the auto brakes. Yes, sir. We are approaching the runway. We are going to land. Passengers, brace for impact. Brace! 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 We have landed safely.